Hello and welcome. In this video session, we will discuss the concepts of variables in Python. Variables are like the containers that can hold different values. These values can change during the execution of the program. The values are the information data, and every data has a data type. The data type identifies the nature of the data. Let us see the different data types used in Python. Some of the most commonly used data types in Python are integer, string, list, tuple, float, dictionary, boolean. There are many other data types available in Python, but these are the most commonly used data types. Now, let us see the concept of format specifiers. Each data type has a format specifier so that it can be displayed with the desired data format to the user. For example, if a variable stores an integer, then %d is used as a format specifier. If a variable stores a string, then %s is used as a format specifier. And if a variable stores a data as float, then %f is used to display the floating data on the screen. So these format specifiers are used to display the data in a particular format on the screen. We will discuss other data types for list, tuple, dictionary at later point of time. Now let us have a look at the reserved keywords that are used in Python. So these are the reserved keywords, and these should not be used for any variable names as it may give error. So please keep a note that these are the reserved keywords in Python and they should never be used as a variable names. Now let us see the program of a variable. Now here we have written a simple program in Python to explain the concept of variables. Here let us explain. This hash is used as a single line comment and this is used as a multi-line comment. So whatever is in comment will not be processed. So now this program starts taking var equal to 10. So here we have in line number 12 var equal to 10. So var is a variable and it holds a integer value. Now we print the value of var equal to %d. Here since we are printing a integer value, we have to use %d as the format specifier, and this will be replaced, the percentage var will be replaced by the value. Now next var equal to 100. Now we are changing the value of var which was 10 to 100, and now we are printing the new value of var, and again we are using %d as it is an integer value. Next to the same variable var we have assigned a string value, that is welcome to Python. And when we are using a string variable, we have to use %s as the format specifier, and this is used to display the string on the screen. Next to the same variable var we have reassigned a new floating value, and when we have to display the floating data on the screen, we use %f. Now as a note, if we have a floating value and if we use %d, then only the integer part will be displayed on the screen. Now let us run this program and see the output of this program. In order to run the program, you have to type python followed by the name of the file. So here we can see value of var is 10, which is nothing but this. We are getting this print value of var equal to 10. Next we change the value of var to 100. New value of var equal to 100 should be printed here. We got this new value of var equal to 100. Next we have new value of var equal to welcome to Python. So this is what we have assigned the new value, welcome to Python. And in order to display the string we have to use percentages. Next we have assigned a floating point number, and now new value of var is 10.2. If we use percentage %f, then 10.2 is displayed. If we use %d to the same value, we get only the integer value. So in this session we have briefed up the overview of variables in Python. In the next session we will discuss the other concepts such as expressions and statements.